Hi, I have a leak in my ceiling and it is coming from my AC. So I'm going to show y'all how to take this shop vac and suck out the water, the excess water from the AC unit. So we can hear the water coming out of somewhere down there on that tube. The water is just dripping into the pan, and then the pan is leaking, causing damage to my floor in the attic, which is also causing damage to the ceiling, which we can't reach because this is a two-story ceiling. So we're gonna have to get scaffolding to fix that. But I'm going to start working on this. We can do hard things. So I don't know if this is supposed to happen or not, but as I'm vacuuming out the water, it's leaking from here. No, it's actually coming out of here, and I'm not sure why. So I'm gonna pause and get a towel. You have to be careful going down the stairs. You don't want to fall. So I'm holding on here. Next, I'm gonna grab onto down here and keep going. Oh, it's amazing the air difference between just this space and this space. Oh my gosh, it feels so much better. Okay, all right. Casualty, a bolt caught my jeans. I have a little hole. One of these suckers, not cool. Okay, I'm back with towels. Gonna watch out for these guys as I pass by. Not gonna get me this time. Okay, and back up the stairs we go. Going from a nice cool atmosphere to a very stuffy, hot atmosphere. Right here is where you feel the difference immediately. Okay, so almost ripped. Now I'm gonna put the towel, wipe this up. I'll be back. Okay, so the thought occurred to me. I've seen Shane take this thing downstairs, down those attic stairs, and he was grunting and heaving and hoeing, and he's a very strong guy. Excuse me. So I know I'm not going to be able to get this down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look, see how much water is in there. Not much, but maybe it's manageable for me. So I'm going to take this whole top part just comes off. So if there's other ladies trying to do this and you're not as strong as you would like to be, you'll know what to do. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's pretty heavy too. I'm gonna take this hose off to make things easier. Oh, can I take this hose off? I might not be able to take the hose off. Let's see. Okay. I guess I won't take the hose off to make it easier for me. That's all right. Tip, when you're carrying it, keep this hose up. Otherwise it's gonna fling water onto your head as you're trying to go down the stairs. So keep this above head level and it won't trip all over your carpet. There's all my Christmas, yay. Okay, so here I go. I'm not gonna video this part because I have to be careful going down the stairs with this, but I will be back. I am sweating buckets up here. Something cool happened though. As I was about to take this guy down these stairs, I heard a bird shoot. I don't even hear him. He's making a pretty song now, but he was like, "Ree, ree, ree, ree," giving this kind of alarm sound. And it just made me think, you know what? I better not try to bring this thing down. So I think the bird was telling me it's too heavy and I need to wait. And that's part of being safe, right? We can do what we can do, but we also need to know when we need to be safe and stop. So this is gonna be my stopping place. I got as far as I could. I'm gonna have to wait for someone stronger to get this down the stairs. So I'm closing the attic up for right now. I did my part. at least hopefully the air conditioner won't be leaking onto my roof. I'll show you that in a minute, or I mean my ceiling. And I'm gonna choose to stay safe. That was so cool about the bird giving me the warning. I don't know if the bird is really giving me a warning, but right as I was like trying to get it down the stairs, it went rear, 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 rear. And so that gives new meaning to a little bird told me so, right? But anyway, just to show you, that's what my ceiling looks like because of that leak. And I don't like it. And we're gonna have to do something to fix it. And I'm not sure, rent some scaffolding or something, but the problem is with the air conditioner. So if I fix the drywall, that's really not going to fix the problem. I got to fix the air conditioner. So happy home owning problems for us. Sorry, there was one more thing I wanted to show you. For those of you who have not done this before, you have a little pipe on the outside of your house that will give you an indication that there is something going on with your air conditioner. So I'm going to show you this on, oh, sorry, hold on. Huh? That's the outlet for water, for overflow. And so when I look out my kitchen, if I see this, that means that I have a leak in my air conditioner pan. That means I need to do something. I need to go up there and vacuum it out. We do pour vinegar, a cup of vinegar, down the little tube. I didn't show it to you up there on the AC unit to keep it clean. And there are little pellets that you can buy to put down in there as well. But that doesn't seem to be doing it. And what I'm guessing is it's so hot, it's just putting a lot of a strain on our AC unit. I am trying to keep the air conditioner at 75 during the day, and then at night we'll bring it down to 72 so that my son can sleep comfortably. I'm fine with it. I could have it at 78, but he can't, so 75 it is. But if our air conditioner continues to push the way it is, we may have to crank it up even more. There you go. Hope that helps.